My name is Iteebe Harriet Immaculate. I come from Kumi District, Tisai sub-county, Asinge parish. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm through my chief. He called me and told me there is a program which needs senior 4 leavers. You should have a senior 4 certificate, smartphone, and a national ID for you to qualify. When I reached here, I experienced many things. Like, I experienced town life, because for us there in the village, you only step on thorns. But when I reached here, you don't step on soil, you see very good things only. Even the eating habit changed. No color, we eat rice, balanced food, fruits, which I didn't used to eat in the village. I'm in aquaculture. And what I've learned in aquaculture, like for you to start a pond, you need to have water facility. I've learned the stages of fish, like from the fry to a fingerling, juvenile, then table size. Like for you to produce the fry, you go to your pond, you identify the male fish and the female. When you identify, like for you to know that these eggs are ready for hatching, you get a female fish. When you have identified, you press. If you see that the eggs are brownish, then you know that these eggs are ready for hatching. But if they are green, then they are not ready. Then if you take there to the hatchery, you cut the male one and when we get a semen, we mix with the eggs, then you leave for 24 hours to hatch. Apart from aquaculture, I've learned how to make beads, necklaces, reusable pads, how to make tables. When I go back to my place, I'll teach my people how to make ponds and how to do the pond management, how they can raise the fish from fingerling stage to table size, and how to market.